Dentition in mammals. What is dentition? Well, simplest and empirical definition is the arrangement, number and types of teeth within an animal's mouth or oral cavity. That's it. The thing which confuses most of us is classification of dentition in mammals. This lecture will help you to understand once for all the time, addressing all confusions and misconceptions. Stay with me and let's begin. The classification of teeth in mammal is not based on single parameter but many parameters like number of replacement of teeth during whole lifespan of mammals, types or structure of teeth in one mouth or oral cavity of single organism or species, and finally whether they have cusp on the molars or not. This simple classification is easy to catch and remember and to differentiate among different terminologies used for dentition in mammals. Classification based on replacement. There are three types of dentitions based on replacement. Number one is monophyodont. That means first teeth originated will stay throughout life and would not be replaced. Mono means one. Examples of monophyodont mammals are toothed whales, sloths, aardvarks, etc. Toothed whales such as dolphins and sperm whales have monophyodont dentition. They only have one set of teeth that they use for catching and consuming prey. The number and arrangement of teeth vary among different species within the toothed whale group, but once their teeth are fully developed, they do not undergo replacement. Number 2. Diphyodont. That means the teeth will be replaced by other teeth in lifespan. Examples include humans, dogs, cats, rats. Now there are two types of teeth based on early and later life. The first teeth called deciduous teeth or baby teeth or milk teeth are replaced by permanent teeth later in life when nature of food intake changes. Same is the case with other mammals belonging to this category. Now, the word deciduous here is to be remembered for milk teeth or baby teeth. 3. Polyphyodont. Now, the word poly means many. So, the polyphyodont means teeth are replaced many times during lifespan. For example, sharks, elephants, kangaroos, etc. Sharks are one of most well-known examples of polyphyodonts. They possess multiple rows of teeth in their mouth, with new teeth continuously growing and replacing the older ones as they are lost or worn down. This continuous tooth replacement ensures that sharks always have sharp and functional teeth for catching and consuming prey. Hope that you shall not forget the terms monodonty or polyphyodonty. Now let's understand these two simple terms based on types of teeth in mouth. Homodont refers to teeth which are all same in shape, size and structure with similar function as in dolphins or toothed whales. The homo means similar. Heterodont. Heterodont dentition is a defining feature of mammals and refers to having different types of teeth specialized for specific functions. The three primary types of teeth found in heterodont mammals are incisors, canines, and molars. Or in humans are of four types, subdividing molars into premolars and molars. Incisors are typically the front teeth and are used for cutting and gunnying. They have a chisel-like shape. Canines are sharp, pointed teeth that flank the incisor. They are excellent for piercing and tearing. While molars are the large, flat teeth located at the back of the mouth. They are designed for grinding and crushing food into smaller, digestible pieces. Now, the third classification is characterized by the presence of three main cusps on the molars, forming a unique triangular shape. And this classification is usually not part of the syllabus. The three cusps are known as paracone, metacone, and hypo or protocone. This dental arrangement facilitates precise grinding and crushing of food, allowing mammals to process a wide range of dietary items. Examples include moles, shrews, and many marsupials such as kangaroos, wombats, and opossums, which exhibit tribocephenic dentition. That's all about dentition in mammals. You need to know. Best of luck for your exam. Clicking the like button will be a nice favor. Thanks.